Let us solve for x and y, given x plus y is equal to 25, sy is equal to 58. Then here x plus y is equal to 25. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 58. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 25. Now let us make this y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 25 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, xy is equal to 58. Now we can now substitute for y, which is 25 minus x. S bracket 25 minus x is equal to 58. Now let us open the bracket with this x. X multiplied by 25, that is 25x minus x multiplied by x, that is x squared, is equal to 58. Let us equate everything to 0 and bring this 58 to the left hand side. 25x minus x squared minus 58 is equal to 0. Now let us put this in standard form. We start with this minus x squared. Minus x squared plus 25x minus 58 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by -1. Then this minus x squared divided by -1, that will give x squared plus 25x divided by -1. That gives minus 25x and minus 58 divided by -1. This is positive 58 is equal to 0. As you can see, this is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this given equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 25, c is equal to 58, s is equal to minus bracket minus 25 plus or minus square root of minus 25 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 58 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 25. That will give plus 25 plus or minus. Then we have square root of minus 25 square. That is 625 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 58. That is 232 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 25 plus or minus square root of 625 minus 232. That is 393. divided by 2. Now x is equal to 25 plus square root of 393 divided by 2, or x is equal to 25 minus square root of 393 divided by 2. These are the values of x. Let us solve for y. We've gotten the value of s. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 25 minus x. Y1 is equal to 25 minus x1 is 25 plus square root of 393 divided by 2, and y2 is equal to 25 minus 25 minus square root of 393 divided by 2. Then y1 is equal to, this is over 1, the LCM is 2. 1 into 2 times 25, this is 50, minus 25. If you open the bracket with this negative, then minus square root of 393 divided by 2. Y1 is equal to 50 minus 25, this is 25, minus square root of 393 divided by 2. This is the value of y1. Then y2 is equal to, here will be 50 minus 25 plus square root of 393 divided by 2. Y2 is equal to 50 minus 25, this is 25, plus square root of 393 divided by 2. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 25 plus root 393 divided by 2, 25 minus square root of 393 divided by 2. S2, y2 is equal to 25 minus square root of 393 divided by 2, 25 plus square root of 393 divided by 2. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation is S plus Y is equal to 25. Sy is equal to 58. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 25 plus root 393 divided by 2 plus 25 minus root 393 divided by 2. The LCM is 2. This can be written as 25 plus root 393 plus 25 minus root 393 divided by 2. This cancel this. Then this is 25 plus 25, that is 50, divided by 2. 25 which is equal to 25, and this must be equal to 25. Then here must be equal to 25. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy is 25 plus root 393 divided by 2 multiplied by 25 minus root 393 divided by 2. Now here, 25 times 25, that is 625 minus 25 times root 393, that is 25 root 393. Root 393 multiplied by 25, this is plus 25 root 393. Then root 393 multiplied by minus root 393, this is minus 393, must be equal to 58. This cancel this. We have 625 minus 393 must be equal to 58. And of course, 625 minus 393, this is 58, is equal to 58, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.